Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming you have permission and the right account. You need administrative approval before proceeding. Once done, make a full backup of the firewall configuration or create a system restore point so you can revert quickly. Also identify the exact reason you need to disable protection, for example, app testing versus persistent maintenance. These steps minimize risk and explain the why. You are reducing exposure, so preparation matters before any change is attempted. Next, choose the least risky method. Temporarily pausing protection or creating an allow rule for the specific app is safer than wholesale disabling. Once done, document which services, ports, or processes require access so you can limit scope and duration. Make the change during low-usage windows and notify teammates or stakeholders. This reduces impact and detection surprises. If you are unsure which option to pick, consult IT support. They can apply controls that maintain visibility while helping you test. Finally, after testing, re-enable protection immediately and run a full or targeted scan to verify integrity. This is crucial. If re-enabling triggers problems, restore the backup or system restore point you made earlier to return to a safe baseline. Make sure to collect error messages, logs, and timestamps before reaching out for help. These details speed troubleshooting. If anything goes wrong or you lack permission, stop and contact IT or the firewall vendor rather than a...
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.